Sinfonia Cymru's Mainly Village Halls tour is a chance for everyone to get together with friends, relatives, their local community and experience a real special evening of high-quality music making in their local venue.
My name's Matthew Valencia. I chair the committee that runs the Village Hall in Llancarvan. Halls like ours rarely get an opportunity to put on music events. So it's a real joy to have Sinfonia Cymru come to play at the venue. And even better that the event is put on free of charge, which really helps us to bring members of the community in to watch it.
We perform classics to pop, rock, Welsh folk music. There's something for everyone. The concerts are friendly and informal and relaxed, and the idea is that you can come along, whether it's your first time at a classical concert or you're an expert, you can bring a friend and you can chat to the musicians over a drink at the end of the concert.
My name's Ben, I'm a cellist and I've been playing for Sinfonia Cymru for the last 5 or 6 years, and it's always a joy to come back to Wales, where I'm from, and perform for this organisation. I played for the first of the Village Hall tours in May 2022, where we brought a cello quartet to perform for local communities, and it was fantastic to see their reaction and chat with them afterwards in a really informal setting.
Sinfonia Cymru have been fantastic with the marketing and with organising the event, and we're really looking forward to working with them again in future.